junior high football team. And I was always on the kids side. We go to the game, you know, to make sure you get your equipment. We go to Hamilton, right outside of Jonesboro to play the junior high football game. We get there, we're going to win the streak. I'm really excited. I want to win that football game. And I told them, you better bring that equipment. They start unpacking their equipment. You know what he said? No shoes. He left his shoes. Right next to Mike Mapleton, when he unpacked his equipment, there's a young man named Mitchell Brown who didn't point today why he stood up there. Mitchell unpacks his stuff, lays it all out there. And he had just polished his shoes. There they are right there. Got them all in right there. Here's Maple stuff. Right there is the Mitchell stuff. Well, Mitchell, he gets up to go someplace and comes back in about 10 minutes, and he looks for his shoes. Well, they're not there. So he just couldn't understand what happened to his shoes. He comes in there to see me, and he said, Coach, I can't find my shoes. I said, what do you mean you can't find your shoes? I said, well, didn't I told you right? He said, Coach, I swore I unpacked them, they were laying right there. I said, well, you didn't unpack your shoes, you have them, they've been there. Coach, I swore I unpacked my shoes, they're laying right there. And he just polished those shoes. And he looked over and said, they're just like the shoes that my Michael got. And you know what Michael's statement was? No, they didn't go to on a roasted toaster, toast someone. Those are the guys, because, you know, sometimes they make us look awful smart, that's not there, but some of the things that they do, and by the way that they was, and the way that they commit to themselves. I know, that's the thing that I want a commitment out of young men, and that's the one thing that I preach when I come down here, because I only know one way to go, and go all out, and you just commit to something and be all you can be, those young men work. And I think this year, this every one, or we have to get down there and say, wow, okay, if you came to that dressing room after the ball game, and I know some parents walked in, someone had to walk back out, well, there was some tears, there was some hurt, and it wasn't a very, you know, it was a tough situation. Because here was a group of young men that were committed to something, and boy, they gave all they had. And my old heart didn't want to have to, because I've gone through a long time. I've seen, and I know that hurts. And I tell you, that's what you want as a coach. You want them to commit all they got. And these young men did it. And I tell you what, you know, and like I told them that Friday night, hey, we may have got to leave, but I was afraid the other people put it all in the same wrong. So. about them worn out gray bodies.